Hi, in this lesson, let's see what are the different sections present in budgets and bidding. You see here, we have shared budgets, bid strategies and adjustments. So first we see what is shared budgets, right? So going into the interface. So in the interface, in the tools you see budgets and bidding, right? So we have shared budgets, bid strategies and adjustments. So let's see what is this shared budgets. So how we give budgets? We give budgets to campaigns, right? For each campaign we will set a budget, right? So let's see. So for campaign, you see here we give budgets, right? For individual campaign we assign a daily budget, right? So here if you see for the shopping new sale, here we have given 2000 rupees per day. That means it will spend 2000 rupees per day, right? Now let's take any three campaigns, okay? So let's take this campaign only, the sale one, copy, okay, and paste here. So another one, let's take the search campaigns. Yeah, this is the one, right? Copy. So in order to use shared budgets, the bidding strategies should also be suitable, okay? Let's take this one. Nice. So we have selected three campaigns here, right? So one campaign, it has a budget of shopping PMax, it has a budget of 1000, right? So it has a budget of 1000. And this call only campaign, PMV call only campaign, it has a budget of 100 rupees, right? And this shopping new sale has a 2000 rupees budget, right? So what shared budgets allow us to do is, so here you can create a separate budget for a group of campaigns, okay? So here we are creating a separate budget for these three campaigns, right? So when we create a group for these three campaigns, the campaigns in that set budget, okay, in that set shared budget will utilize it, okay? So one campaign could use more budget and another campaign could use less budget. So earlier one campaign, you see individual campaigns used to spend their individual budgets, right? So now what happens when we assign these three campaigns to one group of budget, so the leftover budget will be utilized by the other campaign, okay? So I hope you have got the point here. Shared budgets is a single budget that is utilized by the multiple campaigns. So this is very simple to understand, okay? So let's create it. So go into the interface and tools, here shared budgets. This is very simple, you know, this is very simple, okay? So let's give a shared budget of let's name it as a maximize conversions, okay, conversions budget, right? Nice. So these are the three campaigns, right? Copy this one and look for it. Yeah, this one, and next this one, right? So next is the shopping. Nice. You assign these three campaigns here, okay? So looks like PMax is not eligible for the shared budgets. Let's take another campaign. Let's take this brand, this one, okay? So here we have taken three budgets. So at the bottom you see the total budget of these three campaigns is 2600, okay? 2600 is the total budget of these three campaigns, and this 2600 will be shared across the three campaigns. That is, average per campaign it will be 866. As I told you, so the campaigns will utilize their budgets at their capacity. The leftover budget per day will be utilized by the other campaigns. This is the shared budgets, okay? So after you create it, just click on save. That's it. The budgets, you see the bidding strategy does not support shared budgets. So while choosing the campaigns, you need to also select the bid strategies, okay? I mean, you need to also look at the bid strategies what you are going to share with, okay? Let's remove all this one and add new campaigns, okay? So let's take a search campaign. So let's take this search campaign, and another is the, this is the one, right? And let's take this DSA. Okay, we are creating with these 3 campaigns. So enter the average you want to spend each day. Okay, so this is the conversions budget, and the minimum budget I want to spend is, let's say, 100 rupees per day. Okay, so just click on save. Shared budgets. So it is asking for the other bidding strategy. Let's take other bidding strategy. So let's take another campaign. Okay, so let's take this one, and let's take non-paid search, and let's take this uh, shopping new. Okay, let's take this one. Okay, save. Right, so we have successfully created the shared budgets. So what you have understood, you have understood that we can assign the campaigns to a single budget. We can group few campaigns and we can utilize the budget of it, so that one campaign can perform at its capacity and other campaigns can utilize the rest of our budget, right? So the main caution is that, as the error has popped up, so you need to look at the bidding strategy. What is the bidding strategy that you are using for these campaigns? Okay, what is the conversion actions? There should be some theme. You cannot randomly add the campaigns. You cannot add one display campaign, one search campaign, one PMAX campaign, one YouTube campaign, right? Also, you cannot add a lead generation campaign into a sales campaign. I hope you are understanding the point. There should be some theming. Okay, so these Google algorithms are very smart enough to identify such theming, whether it is present in the campaigns that you are setting up or not, right? So I hope you have understood this lesson. This shared budget is alone. When you use it alone, there is no much use. Using the shared budgets alone is not much useful. Using the shared budget with portfolio bidding strategies is very useful. Okay, so what is portfolio bidding strategies? We will see in the next coming class, right? I hope you have understood the concept of shared budgets. We will meet in the next one.